The fourth-generation Mitsubishi Outlander, which was introduced in 2022, is a spacious three-row SUV that shares its platform with the popular Nissan Rogue, and also offers the option of a plug-in hybrid powertrain. As for the 2024 model, it remains mostly unchanged, except for the introduction of the Platinum Edition with its exclusive exterior and interior enhancements. With an output of 181 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque, the standard 2.5-liter inline four-cylinder engine in the Outlander is accompanied by a CVT transmission. Buyers have the choice of either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. However, at higher speeds, this vehicle may exhibit slightly less responsiveness and an increase in road noise. On the bright side, it delivers agile and composed handling, controlled body movements, and a firm ride quality. According to EPA ratings, the all-wheel drive Outlander gets 24 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway, while the front-wheel drive version nudges the numbers up to 24 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. The new Outlander features a significantly improved cabin with high-quality materials and a modern design. The controls and switchgears have a nice solid feel and the air vents operate smoothly. It seems like as if Mitsubishi engineers benchmarked German cars' interiors when they developed the new Outlander, or the VW Tiguan to be more specific. Maybe that's why the Tiguan and the Outlander are the only compact crossovers sold in the US market to offer a third-row seat. On the dashboard there is a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a head-up display among other options like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, access to the Mitsubishi Connect app for remote services, and a large panoramic sunroof which makes the cabin feels airy but does allow some noticeable wind noise to enter. The Outlander is priced between $30,000 and $52,000, making it relatively costly for the compact crossover segment, as most competitors such as Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, Mazda CX-50, Volkswagen Tiguan, Kia Sportage, and Hyundai Tucson. However, when it comes to safety, no matter in terms of crash tests or driver assistance technology, the Outlander never disappoints. It earned the highest ratings in almost all the tests it went through, including the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and the Australasian New Car Assessment Program ANCAP. In terms of safety features, it includes adaptive cruise control, a semi-autonomous drive mode, forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist, so it almost leaves nothing to be desired in this regard, and it definitely deserves to be considered for this reason alone. But as we have seen, the Outlander offers much more value in other segments as well. Mitsubishi also provides a competitive limited warranty of 5 years or 60,000 miles and a powertrain warranty of 10 years or 100,000 miles, matching Hyundai and Kia in their own game. However, unlike Hyundai, the company does not offer complimentary maintenance. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the new Outlander. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.